Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin today and why I believe that very soon we could face a pullback before we head towards new all-time highs. And of course, also we're gonna do an update video on some of the best upcoming cryptos that I'm buying up right now, guys, because I have added 2 more Pepe themed meme coins that I want to share with you. So check them out, guys, links in the video description, and of course also be part of our $100 giveaway, because with every 1,000 subscribers now we are going to do a $100 giveaway. And right now we have one ongoing, and you have to comment in this video with this title here. Just go into my channel and then go and comment anything you want here. Also maybe let me know what kind of meme coin that you want, because we are going to buy $100 worth of meme coins and then distribute it to a lucky winner. And the more active you are in general all videos, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner. And also sign up to Bybit, because the giveaway will be through Bybit. So make sure to have an account set up with my sign up link, and then of course you can be part of the giveaway. Other exchanges you're also gonna find here if you want: Binance, Phemex, Maxi Global, and so on. You can also sign up there, but the giveaway will only be taking place here over on Bybit. And now, guys, let's dive straight into the Bitcoin chart, because Bitcoin is nice and steady here, climbing up this mountain here, this support trend line that we have here at around $107,500. Bitcoin is still creating higher highs and higher lows. This is of course what we want to see. But let's have a look here what the indicators are telling us, because unfortunately we are still in a critical point as soon or as long as Bitcoin is not really breaking out to completely new levels, and we're just going sideways here. So for example, here in the 4-hour time frame we cooled off here, or in the 3-hour we cooled off here a bit, and we can of course here expect another leg up. But Bitcoin is still basically creating those little higher highs and higher highs, yeah, and higher lows, yes, and just gonna go up and up like this. But at some point we're gonna see the higher time frame signals to key in basically, and then take Bitcoin to new levels. It can be still to the upside, but also to the downside, guys. And even though time-wise, and of course I'm in general bullish for Bitcoin, I'm expecting, of course, here after this fight with this resistance, a nicer breakout to the upside. That's for sure. The only problem that I really have is based on the indicators, because right now we have everywhere money flow decreasing in the higher time frames. We also have here, like on the daily, sell signals flashing, and everything is basically crossing bearish. That is suggesting that we could see maybe one more last leg down before eventually we gear up to new all-time highs. And unfortunately, if we really are dropping down, we can form here a potential falling channel or a bull flag, call it how you want, but of course we can drop down again towards the $98,000, $95,000 area. If I'm not wrong, we also have a CME gap over there, but also based on this pattern that we are forming, maybe we can make some nice lines here actually. Let me quickly delete those lines and let's go over into the lines chart, because here you can see a clear support trend line. So we have a clear support coming up here with the daily closes at around $100,000, and of course also a clear resistance up here. Over on the lines chart, you can always see the closes, and that's why in order to put the lines correctly, I like to use the lines chart and not here the candles chart, because like this you see every wick, every little move to the upside or to the downside, and then of course it would be looking completely different. But based on the lines chart, you really see where this time frame closed the candle exactly, and that's why I like to put the lines over on that version, like with the lines and not with the candles. And right now, as I told you guys, if here we don't see a big breakout to the upside, it's very likely that we're gonna retrace back down towards $100,000, maybe even lower than that, because this is the trading range basically right now. And we are also squeezing here. So we have this upwards moving support trend line that is holding so far nicely as a support. That's why we are squeezing, and I'm expecting latest on 16th of July here a breakout to the upside or to the downside. And talking about the 16th of July, guys, I bought a new meme coin, Pepe, that is supposed to launch one day before on the 15th of July. on LBank exchange. So there is a new Pepe themed meme coin that will come out, and right now you have a 45% bonus if you're buying into this coin. I'm buying into Pepe Heimer. That's a completely new Pepe themed meme coin, and right now you have a 45% bonus on top of your purchase here. You just connect the wallet and then you choose Ethereum, Arbitrum or Binance coin, and then of course you can buy with those coins into Pepe Heimer as well. And then also we have Neo Pepe, guys. That's a completely new Matrix Pepe themed meme coin. I like very much the mix between Matrix, since it's one of my favorite, most favorite movies all time. And the cool feature here is that they are going to burn all the tokens that are not sold during the pre-market phase, and most of the coins are for the pre-market phase. And this is something very interesting that makes me also bullish for the coin. So I bought also into Neo Pepe. And if you want also to buy into those coins, guys, you're gonna find the links here in the video description where it says a new upcoming crypto project. So I bought now Pepe Heimer and also this Neo Pepe as well. So I bought into both of them, since I like very much to invest into new Pepe themed meme coins. And you're gonna find them all here in the video description. And of course, no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion in the complete video. All my own opinion, guys. I'm just sharing everything that I'm doing with you here. And I'm not a financial advisor, of course. I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing basically my own TA and expectations for Bitcoin and overall for the crypto market. And of course, also where I am trading, and also what I am trading and what I am buying next to my Bitcoin portfolio, of course. And for Bitcoin, I think we are coming to a conclusion very soon. Based on the indicators, unfortunately, I expect more a breakout to the downside. And even if we would see a breakout to the upside, eventually could even end up in a fake out or in a short pump before dump, something like that. I think it is possible. Nothing is guaranteed, of course, but based on my experience is that very often before we see the real move, we're gonna see a liquidation basically on the other direction. So for example, if we should be breaking down, because also we get everywhere sell signals here very soon, even on the weekly time frame. Nothing is now confirmed, but we are about to do that. And once it happens, most of the times we see first a fake out and then the real move. Most of the times, not always, of course. So we will see what happens. But even if Bitcoin would do that, I don't think that we will enter into a bear market or anything like that. I just think that we're just gonna have like one more leg down or something like that before maybe we gear up for a big move to the upside later on, or even after the next big move. We will see, because time-wise, we should expect that very soon Bitcoin will start to move towards the new all-time highs, that we can reach maybe the cycle top of this bull run, maybe towards the end of this year. And until then, of course, we have like 5 more months almost to go, and that's why time is on our side for now, and we will see what happens. And meanwhile, of course, you can trade these events over on Maxi Global, Bybit, everywhere you want, guys, because right now, of course, also do some, if you're doing some scalp trading, we can also, of course, do some nice trades here as well. And don't forget that also some other new meme coins are coming up, and one of them is token 6900. This one currently is going completely viral because it is basically like the successor of the SPX token 6900, which was another meme coin like this one here that went completely viral, and now everyone is buying it up because it's kind of a meme printer. It's nothing behind it, no fundamentals, nothing. They're just gonna start with this hard cap of 5 million. This is the current price, this is the end price, and then once it's launching on DEXs and exchanges, we will see what happens. Can be fun, guys. I am invested into token 6900 and also Bitcoin layer 2 here, this Bitcoin Hyper as well. If it's going to replace the Lightning Network, would be great, of course, a real layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, and also with the narrative of a meme coin, we will see. But I bought into both of them, and if you want to get access to it, token 6900 is here linked, Bitcoin Hyper, and so on. Of course, also Neo Pepe and Pepe Heimer. Check them out, guys. Links in the video description. That's it for now. I keep you updated on some of the next upcoming meme coins and altcoins as well. Maybe we're also gonna do a little bit of Pepe or Dogecoin TA. We will see. But yeah, I think that a very exciting time is in front of us, and that's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel, participate on the giveaway, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.